Warning, heavy cringy head. Turn back while your sanity is intact.
Ho ho ho, and a bottle of rum. The month of December is upon us. And aside from Christmas, the most important event of the month is obviously our annual chemistry video. My name is Santa's assistant, and accompanied with me are four other assistants, and we will be explaining today's theme of ligands and ligand substitution. My first assistant, Navan, will be explaining away.
The first ligand we're going to talk about is CuH2O6. It is a blue solution, and it can be reacted with other ligands for ligand substitution.
Ho ho ho! But what's the reverse of that? OH, a hydroxide. And this is our first substitution of when copper H2O6 reacts with two hydroxide groups. It will eventually form CuOH2, H24, and two water groups. Keep in mind that since at the beginning of the reaction, the copper ion has a positive 2 charge, but at the end, the product formed will have a neutral or 0 charge because hydroxide ions have a negative 1 charge, and 2 of them will balance out the copper ions plus 2 charge. Going along, and when this aforementioned product reacts with 4 ammonia groups, the result is 2 hydroxide groups, 2 water molecules, and CuNH3,4H22. Thank you, me, Santa's top 1 assistant. Now we're moving on to Jennifer, Santa's 3rd assistant. Yay!
Next is CH2O plus CH2O plus
Santa assistant number 3 is at the South Pole where the Wi-Fi connection is a bit bad. So Raphael, if you could just can you make it louder in the editing? So Santa assistant number 2. That's you, Naman.
Now we will talk about the COH2O6 2 plus ligand. This can also be reacted with other ligands for substitution into different complex ions. It has a pink. It is a pink solution.
Whenever we add sodium hydroxide solution to the aforementioned COH2O6 plus 2, a blue/green precipitate of cobalt-2 hydroxide will form. And furthermore, when you warm it with alkali in excess, it will also turn red.
COH2O6 2 plus can also be reacted with ammonia to form a straw-colored solution of COH362 plus. It will still be 2 plus. It will be 2 plus because NH3 has no charge on it, and the initial ligand is already a 2 plus charge. And it can also react with hydrochloric acid or Cl minus ions to form COCl4 2 minus, because 2 plus minus 4 is equal to 2 minus, which will make a deep blue solution.
And that concludes our presentation.
Post-production note, I'm sorry.
Remember, kids, we learned today what ligands are. What are ligands, you say? Ligand.
Thank you for watching and I am sorry. Not really.